Hey guys, Master Patty, how are you? Welcome to MPAI Labs. I hope you're doing well. Well, OpenAI a couple days ago launched GPT Live. It is a chatbot and it's supposed to be very smart. It does interrupt you. It says, yeah, and believe it or not, it does laugh, which is very interesting. But I've seen it on all social media platform. I've actually had a chance to, play with it just a little bit, but I'm going to actually show you how to set everything up. I'm going to share my screen and then I'm going to actually talk to it. Let's see. All right. So if you see my screen, it is for the paid plan. Okay, I'm in my ChatGPT. Down at the left hand side, if you click on your plan, I have the plus plan. You can go to settings, okay, and then scroll down to voice, and you have different models. You can set it to live. You can obviously they have like different models here, or bot there. You can set it to advanced or it's pretty standard. You can also, intelligence, you can do instant, medium, or high. It's up to you. And I do auto detect, but you can also set it in actual, languages you want. So it's automatically, pretty easy to speak, which is kind of weird, but I'm just going to activate it on here. It doesn't work that well on my PC for some reason. It just doesn't do well, but on my phone, it's wonderful. Hey, T, welcome back. How are you?
Great, thanks. How can I help today?
Just let's have a conversation. So, seem like everyone's excited about you going live. Can you tell me a little bit about what we can use this for?
Live mode?
Yes.
Oh, that's just the stuff, like right now. Yeah, this live mode fits well for quick brainstorming out.
You're about to do, and it doesn't do well there. So, for some reason, you can hit retry, but I'm going to use it on my actual phone, and then I'm going to leave it near. So I'm going to start with my phone. Hey CT, I'm back. How are you?
Welcome back, Matsu. I'm doing fine. What's on your mind today?
All right, could you tell me a little bit about live mode? What is best used for? Because we're in class for MPAI labs right now.
Live mode is great for real time natural conversations. You can brainstorm, ask questions on the fly, or clarify things as you go. Essentially, it helps you adapt as you teach, making sessions more interactive and dynamic.
That's awesome. Can you give me like an example? Like, say that I want to do a lesson on, ChatGPT 101. Could you give me at least three good points regarding the lesson?
First, introduce what ChatGPT is, an AI language model designed to generate human like text. Second, explain core use cases, answering questions, drafting content, or offering suggestions. Third, emphasize how to structure prompts effectively, be clear, provide context, and specify desired outcomes.
Awesome, awesome. I have a question for you. You work wonderful on my phone, but it looks like on the actual PC, it actually tried to load, it breaks. Do you know where the disconnect is?
I don't have direct insight into your specific device setup, but usually that disconnect could be related to browser settings, extensions, or network conditions on your PC. Make sure your browser is up to date, clear cache, and check if any extensions are interfering. If
Oh,
it persists, a different browser or a network check might help.
pretty awesome, pretty awesome. Thank you so much. I'm going to hang up now, okay?
Take care and talk to you next time.
So overall, it's pretty easy. It's kind of creepy, but wonderful at the same time. So I'm really happy that this live, is here. So the live mode, if you want to learn anything on the fly, or if you got any questions, it is a true chatbot. It will interrupt you. It will, you know, laugh back, at you, which is still weird, but great at the same time because our technology is growing. So I just wanted to bring like the first part of that. So if you have a free tier, I don't think it's going to work. It's definitely on the paid tier. It's $20 a month, so you can upgrade based on your pocketbook. Okay. The next thing I want to talk about is, well, two things. I'm going to share my screen again. Don't forget to check out MPAI Labs. We are growing drastically. We have about, you know, 20 to 30 people daily that actually join. So definitely check us out, and you get a lot of things on here. You get prompts, you share your work, you get AI news, lots of new things going on. Okay. The next thing that we're going to move to is Meta AI. Look like they upgraded a few things, and you can see once you come to Meta AI, non-sponsored by the way, that you can create. They have different templates. You can create, different templates, and if you have a kid's drawing, you can, just upload that, and it can create that. But if you just use, the arrow to the right, you can see yourself, paragliding. You can do claymation. You can do cotton candy. You just name it. Whatever you want, Obviously, you still can put your prompt here and, upload anything here. Okay. And just, do instant. But now it's good. It's very good that you can actually, just pick any template on here. It helps you and be very creative. I tried it, and just let you know, if I want to be a rock star, just let you know that's one of them. Yeah, this is an actual, template right here. You want to be a rock star, just click on that. And, you can, select your photo, which I did, and I'll show you. I'm a true rock star right here. I basically put myself out there. I am a true rock star. So that was very interesting. It looks like me, but it's not really. The next thing is you can do like fun sheets. Okay. I uploaded, myself, and it created a little fun sheet, which is wonderful, great for Christmas, but I wanted to change like the theme because you can actually do that. And it was not bad. It didn't truly change it overall. If you notice, I don't have a sun here, but I have a sun here. So it didn't really change it. So it's still not bad. Okay. So 50-50. The next one is a 16-bit character idea. So I basically upload myself, and I can, it created, me as a 16-bit hero that I'm ready. I can download, I can use it whatever I want. So overall, I wanted to share what is new with Meta AI, since I have not spoken about them for a very long time. It is improving. I think they did take certain filters off. So I was happy about that. And you still can analyze this, discover products, and do, some fun things. So it's growing at the same time, but the built-in, template on here is going to be pretty fun if you're, brand new, or if you just want to, add it to your, social media brand. So I wanted to bring those two things to you. The AI is truly changing drastically. Don't forget, I want to make sure that y'all sign up for Glen Pixel. I'm going to share my screen. You can go to glenpixel.io. You get 250 credits for free to start, and just start prompting, start playing with it, because, we need more people to join. Okay. So, yeah, this week it's been so busy. But I just wanted to bring those two things to light once again. Don't forget to join our community. Stay kind, hydrate, and I'll talk to you later. Ja, what's today?